At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A counseling intake form, also known as a therapy intake form, is provided to clients prior to their first session at a counseling or mental health practice. Similar to a patient registration form, this document collects a wide range of essential information, including personal and emergency contact details, medical and mental health history, substance use history, insurance information, and the client's primary reason for seeking counseling. Gathering this information in advance allows counselors to be better prepared, enabling more focused and effective sessions from the start. Intake forms are often used alongside informed consent forms to ensure legal and ethical compliance. Using our counseling intake form template is quick and easy. Here's how to get started in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Download the counseling intake form template. Click Download to receive a fillable PDF version of the template. You can also click Use Template to customize the form within the Carepatron platform to better fit your practice's or client's specific needs. Step 2. Share it with your clients. Send the form to your clients before their appointment. You can email it directly, share it through your patient portal, or even offer a tablet in your waiting room if they prefer to fill it out in person. This makes the intake process quicker and easier for everyone. Step 3. Store completed forms securely. Once submitted, store the completed form securely for future reference. For physical forms, use a locked filing cabinet. For digital versions, utilize compliant platform or secure cloud storage. This keeps client information safe and easily accessible for upcoming sessions. You can learn more about topics like counseling intake form in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.